Solana 2025 is going to shock the cryptocurrency markets because Solana, of course, being the leader of so much in the crypto space right now on so many metrics, all the big narratives happening on Solana, AI agents and meme coins and DeFi and all that kind of stuff. But there's more cooking behind the scenes that could see Solana have yet another incredible year of performance. So I'm going to talk about that with you in today's video. Let's get straight into it. Take a look at some charts. Get started off with here. Of course, Solana hitting a new all-time high at $295 the other day. Beast mode on Solana has been activated. Of course, we had that nice little downtrend right here. Beautiful breakout on the 17th of January. Massive reaction, of course, to the Trump thing, launching his meme coin on Solana. People went nuts. People went nuts over Sol simply because of that. So we saw an incredible move here happening for Solana on that. MACD still trending up very nicely on the daily. So beautiful price action. Came back down here to around the 230 zone the other day. If we see a dip back down to 230, I think that's a nice area to be getting some Sol bags packed up, to be honest. Currently, price slowly grinding higher. So been beautiful price action recently here for Solana. Of course, massively cucking ETH, which has been just sad recently. Just sad. Anyway, as we see Solana starting to put in new high prices, the question then becomes, how far is it going to run? Well, if we just do some simple Fibonacci projections here, the next major price point, assuming we get actually a good, decent rally here for the cryptocurrency markets, which I am fingers crossed in the camp of yes, we get a great rally in 2025. $400 becomes the next key level here for Solana. Beyond that, we get up to about $650 as a 2.618 fib line, 1.618 here, blue line, 3.618, where a lot of majors tend to rally up to during a market cycle. That's around $900. Do we overshoot that a bit and get to $1,000 or even $1,100? Would not surprise me at all, personally. Now, before we get into the big news catalysts that are actually going to be driving Solana higher this year, if you're a cryptocurrency trader, you got to get yourself an account over on BitUnix, guys. This is the place to be doing some trading, okay? So if you want to get over there, check it out. Start doing some trading, okay? You can trade no KYC, which means no BS, okay? You click on the link down below, you deposit your funds, no KYC, no VPN, no BS, just enjoy your privacy and enjoy your trading. It's that simple. 20% deposit rebate going on right now as well. As you deposit $1,000, you get $200 straight back, which is awesome, okay? And there's even currently a trading competition going on. You can get up to $60,000 in top prizes. Go check it out. Link down below. Thank you very much for your support. So, this was a big moment for Ethereum, and it's true. Trump launched his meme coin on Solana, not on Ethereum, because quite simply, there's no possible scenario in which Ethereum could have handled this. Ethereum's broken in its current iteration. The Ethereum Foundation feels adrift without clear vision of how to rectify the situation. Yeah. One of these days, man, might just swap those ETH bags for Solana. Just for the better vibes. Anyway, Trump was launched on Solana. Now, to be clear, Trump also has his DeFi protocol, World Liberty Fi, on Ethereum. Different ideas, of course. One's for big amounts of money. People don't mind paying $50 for a transaction fee in that kind of situation. If we wanted to buy $50 for the Trump on Solana, it would have cost you $50 in transaction fees. Actually, it might have cost even more. I remember times back in 2021, and the main chain for Ethereum is not really that much fixed since then, but I remember times back in 2021 paying like $200 to do a swap on Uniswap. Now, you paid it because you had to do it. It's not good, though. Not good. Solana. Now, the metrics for Solana, too, are just utterly shocking. Like, you see the metrics going on. Solana followed up its all-time high DEX volume with another $33.6 billion day. Absolute insanity. $10 billion on Solana. $10 billion in Trump family tokens. Trump and Melania. What's crazy here, though, is that the Solana trading volume, it was more volume than every other chain combined. Okay? Market cap of Solana still a quarter of Ethereum. And not only did it do more than Ethereum and all its layer 2s, it literally did more than every other chain combined. Crazy stuff, man. Crazy, crazy stuff here for Solana, okay? And that's just, of course, some of the many metrics, daily average users, total transactions, all that stuff. Solana, and we've been covering for a long time on the channel, continues to be the leader when it comes to most metrics, okay? We also have Fire Dancer, which is coming up soon. Now, this is a major overhaul for the Solana validator network. So basically, this is going to push Solana up to, as they described it, or as Anatoly, I think, described it back in the day when they first announced Fire Dancer, basically the edge of technical limitations that even exist, okay? So like around 1 million transactions per second will be coming in with Fire Dancer, which will make Solana even crazier, okay? That's coming, okay? So there are now 18 Fire Dancer validators running on the Solana mainnet, which means that Fire Dancer is here and Fire Dancer's happening, okay? Okay. We also have the Inflation Reduction Proposal, which has not been passed yet, but here's the summary. Thanks, ALO, for the summary. The proposal aims to make Solana's token emissions smart and market-based instead of following a fixed schedule. Motivation behind the proposal: validators now earn significant revenue from MEV, $430 million, almost $500 million in Q4, reducing the need for high token emissions to incentivize staking. But how would it work? The inflation rate would automatically adjust based on staking participation. Target staking rate would be 50% of the total amount of Solana. If more Solana is staked, that reduces inflation. If less, inflation increases. Okay? So it reduces unnecessary token inflation when the network is already secured. The mechanism could potentially drive emissions very low or even to 0%. Less supply expansion means less dilution for holders, aka price go up potential. Could potentially reach 0% inflation if MEV rewards are sufficient. Helps reduce selling pressure from stakers who sell rewards for taxes. Makes the network more efficient by only issuing minimum tokens needed for security. Better for DeFi growth as lower risk-free staking yields means DeFi protocols don't have to offer such high yields to attract capital. More Solana can participate in DeFi instead of being staked, increasing network activity. Cool. I dig it. I dig it, man. That could be a big overhaul for tokenomics for Solana, which, of course, is a positive thing. And the final one is this. This dude's forehead right here. Look at that. You can't unsee it once you've seen it. Anyway, JP Morgan predicts Solana and XRP ETFs could attract $3 to $8 billion in new investments if approved, with SEC is just inspecting late January. So the first Solana ETF deadline at the SEC is January 25th. Now, I'm not sure, and we'll see. It's only 3 days away, but I really don't think that they're going to approve those Solana ETFs on the 25th. Not because they don't want to, but because they haven't had the time to, okay? New administration's only taken over like yesterday, okay? It's not enough time. The next deadline, and they could approve it before that deadline, obviously, but the next deadline's in the middle of March. When that happens, I think we see a very large amount of money flow into Solana. And unlike with Ethereum and Bitcoin, Grayscale does not have 10 or tens of billions of dollars of Solana to dump on the market. So that'll be a relative nothing burger by comparison, meaning, okay, it's not they don't have any, but they don't have that amount. Meaning here that what we're going to see happen is Solana, when Wall Street gets access to it, is going to have a lot more reflexivity to ETF inflows compared to Ethereum, especially if the market's mega bullish. Everyone's going to want to get their hands on a nice little bag of Solana ETFs, aren't they now? And if we get $8 billion, okay, of inflows into Solana ETFs this year, that's like 8% of the market cap currently. It's a lot of money, man. It's a lot of money and a lot of coins, considering 65% or something like that of Solana right now is actually staked. Makes you think, doesn't it? Anyway, that's that, okay? Let me know what you think about Solana. Are you bullish on Solana? Are you bullish on the Solana ecosystem? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back in the next one. Peace.